You can plan and use the same strategy to buy up to 10 properties like this. Hi everyone! Have you heard of house hacking? House hacking is one of the ways to get started in real estate investing by renting out a portion of your primary residence, which can be a multifamily real estate like duplex, triplex, or a fourplex, or it can even be a single family home. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This channel is about learning and buying your first investment property, as well as growing your real estate portfolio, so you can accelerate your journey toward financial independence and make an impact on the lives around you. My name is Korianne, and I am a real estate investor since 2001. I achieved my financial independence when I was 35 years old after consistently investing in cash flow properties over 8 years. House hacking allows the new investor to earn rental income that is used to help them pay for their mortgage payments. And when you buy a property at the right price, the rental income will cover the entire mortgage payment, so you can live in your property with zero housing cost. Let's discuss a few reasons why you may want to house hack. First, house hacking lower your down payment. If you were to finance your investment property, you will be required to put down 20 or 25% as a down payment. Investment property here means a property that is not your primary residence. Now, with a house hacking, you are purchasing your primary residence. The requirements for owner-occupied financing is much less stringent. You can get an owner-occupied loan by putting down as little as 3.5% for an FHA loan. FHA stands for Federal Housing Associations. If you buy a $100,000 house, your down payment is only $3,500. That's really small, smaller than the car payments, right? The second reason for the house hacking is to reduce or eliminate your housing cost. Let's assume you purchase a duplex. You live in one and rent out the other. That rental income can help to offset part of your mortgage payment. Assuming you stay at this duplex for a while and you have the 30-year fixed mortgage, over time you can increase the rent for the other units while your monthly mortgage payments stay the same. As you can see, the amount of mortgage you have to pay out for your own pocket will get smaller and smaller. By the way, if you buy a single family residence, you can rent out the extra rooms in your house. It is a way to quickly build up your equity when you do not mind sharing the kitchen and the bedrooms with others. Then this is a great way to save up some money for a down payment for your next investment property. House hacking is a great way to jumpstart your real estate investing. It allows you to purchase your first home quickly, learn to be a landlord, and have hands-on experience with the power of real estate investing. Income, depreciation, equity building, and appreciation. The last one is leverage. Let's go through an example so you can get a feel for the numbers. Let's assume you buy a fourplex. You plan to live in Unit A and rent Unit B, C, and D out. For this exercise, let's assume the fourplex costs about $200,000. This fourplex qualifies for the owner-occupied financing, giving you are living in Unit A only required to put down 3.5%. And 3.5% of $200,000 is about $7,000 plus closing costs of $5,000. Your loan is then $200,000 minus $7,000 is about $193,000. As of October 2022, the interest rate of 30-year fixed mortgage is about 6.5%. With an online mortgage calculator, we calculate your mortgage payment, include principal plus interest plus tax and insurance is about $1,583 per month. Now that is the mortgage. Let's figure out the potential rental income. Let's assume each unit can be rented out for $600 per unit. With 3 units, it works out to be about $1,800 per month. Your biggest expense will be your mortgage payments. So to get your monthly net income, you just subtract the $1,583 mortgage payment from the $1,800 monthly rental income. This gives you about $217 cash flow per month or $2,604 per year. Remember your initial capital investment for the down payment plus the closing cost, which was about $12,000. Annual cash on cash return is to divide your annual cash flow by your initial investment, or $2,604 divided by $12,000. This gives you an annual cash on cash return of 21% a year. This return does not include other benefits like the tax depreciation, equity paying down on your mortgage each month, and appreciation over holding period of this property. The best part is you pay zero on your rent. Others pay it for you. You can plan and use the same strategy to buy up to 10 properties like this. Every couple of years, you move out to buy a new one and rent the rest of the units out to others. You can start the same process again because you can borrow up to 10 residential properties when you have the income and the credit to qualify for them. Remember, you have to live in one unit to qualify for owner-occupied financing and to qualify for the low down payments program of 3.5%. This is a great way for you to invest in real estate with little money down, and you can live in one place for free with others paying down the mortgage for you. All the while you are building up your own real estate portfolio and your net worth over the year. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out too. And if you really like it, please share it with others. Share with me in the comment below if you have experience in the house hacking and how it has been performing for you. Thank you so much for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!